Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Maisarah binti Ma'ruf. You can call me Maisarah. I am Uniza student from SMPT 1. This video about my assignment for English Communication 1. Let's enjoy my video, guys. Conclusion, you know that the people can survive a tornado. They have the shelter in the house for save themselves from the tornado. They have also provide preparing equipment in the shelter. After tornado, they have some place to meet their family or friends. In fact, the house is the basic place for recovery from tornado. Actually, this article tells us about safe place is important during tornado. Don't forget to stay safe at the shelter. That's all from me. I hope you can benefit from my video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.